If you have ever deployed, you know there's a lot to keep up with. The logistics planners are the ones making sure the right warfighters and gear make it to the right place at the right time.
And if you want to know how we did it, it's simply magic. That's the easiest way I could put what I want everybody to know. It's simply magic.
That may be the simple explanation, but as
Friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we will be understanding logistics management and under that roles and responsibilities. Different topics that will be covered here are, one is the education criteria, role definition, and then clarity on responsibilities. When we talk about education criteria, we need to consider all the different levels of management. It can be top, middle, and the low management. So some certain examples can be a top management person will be an SCM MBA graduate from IIMs. A middle level management can be an example like any MBA graduate in SCM from any other A grade colleges. And for the low level, we can consider as any person who has done the BBM and where he has specialized in the supply chain management and logistics management. But however, based on other conditions on the value addition process or the company which you are applying, this can be changed and modified accordingly.
Good morning everyone. My name is Karthikeyan Kadiravan from DLS 3B. My metric number is 10DLS 19F1032. Today I would like to talk about, as a logistic and distribution managers, you will need to use IT system to manage stock levels, delivery times and transport costs. Use data from IT system to evaluate performance and quality and to plan improvement. And then continually try to improve and develop business performance within the constraints of legalization. More than that, as a logistic distribution manager, you'll need to implement health and safety procedures and manage staff training issues, motivate other members of the team, set objectives, plan and manage projects, work on new supply strategies, use specialist knowledge such as mechanical handling system to provide consultancy service. This may be a requirement in some roles.
Good morning to our beloved lecturer and my dear friends. My name is Steven Raj, 10 DLS 19F1091. Today, I'm here to talk about the logistic planner, and my friend Karthik are going to elaborate about the logistic responsibility. As my part, I'm going to talk about the first thing is logistic. Logistic is a word that comes from French, and it also first covered by the armies. Okay, what are the logistic planner? Logistic planner are the master strategy of the shipping world. They are responsible for coordinating the shipping and receiving of supplies, goods, foods and people. The goods and supply logistic planners deal with the very base on their industry of employment. The manufacturing and freight industry are the biggest employers. Supermarkets also needs logistic planner to coordinate produce and food deliveries. Logistic planner do most of their work from the office within typical office hour, but their duties can include periodic visit to manufacturing sites and warehouse. Those who succeed in the position thrive on problem solving and strategic thinking. The role of logistic planner is in part of supervisor position. Part of their duties included make sure their employments involved in the shipping or receiving process perform their assigned tasks up to standard. Logistic planner may answer to the VP of Logistics in large company. According to the National Bureau of Labour Statistics, demand for logistics, which included logistic planner, is rise to 7% true. Okay, there are 5 steps of the logistic planner. First thing is to determine the size and scope of the project. Second thing is to meet with vendors to work out specifics. Third, analyze distribution process and make improvement suggestion as necessary. Fourth are the prepare and delivery logistic reports to senior decision makers. Fifth are the assign employees tasks based on their project needs. That's all. Thank you very much.